Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a spring tutorial. I know we really haven't been receiving any spring weather, but you know, technically it is spring, and I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. I feel like I've been doing a lot of reviews, first impressions. I mean, I know a lot of you request the reviews, but I kind of miss doing a tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here. It's perfect for spring. It's so natural and just really girly and really pretty, and I love how it came out. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. Hey guys, how's everyone's week going? So to start this look, I'm using the Graftobian foundation palette. This is hands down my favorite foundation palette. I use it all the time. It's great for mixing shades, and especially if you have a bit of a tan and you don't need to buy, you know, 3 different bottles to match. Also, I use it for my freelance kit. I have another one, and it's great for clients, so I don't need to pack, you know, 30 different shades. I'm able to mix my custom shades with these. And now I'm just taking a damp beauty blender and blending all of that in, and it's just coming out really seamless and flawless. This foundation is very thin. It does have a little bit of a thick consistency, but a little goes a long way, so you only need a little, and it blends out like a dream. Let's cover up this burn right here, shall we? Taking the Kat Von D concealer in the shade medium, I'm using this to conceal. I do have these in 2 shades, and the reason why is because they were on sale at Sephora, so I figured I'd just pick up one for when I have a tan and one for an everyday use, and this has been my favorite concealer. Lately, I've kind of been liking it more than the Shape Tape. I feel like it's a little bit thinner and it still has the same coverage, so I've been liking it more for an everyday use. I also apply the concealer right underneath where I usually contour to pop out my cheekbone even more, but I am going to go over it with a contour shade as well. And now I'm just blending everything in with the same beauty blender that I've been using. And now I'm taking this shade from the Graftobian foundation palette, and I am just contouring. And I get so many questions on why I contour this way on my cheekbones, and I keep meaning to film a video for you guys. I'm going to film a full video on how I contour and why I contour this way. I think it will definitely help some of you who have a similar face shape as me. I definitely think it will help you as well. And for my nose contour, I use the Benefit Hoola stick. I really enjoy this for my nose because it's not too dark, it's very easy to blend in, and it has more of a grayer tone, so it actually looks like a shadow on my nose rather than, you know, 2 orange lines down my nose. And I'm just blending everything in with a damp beauty blender. Damp beauty blenders are my favorite to use. And then I'm taking this City Color brush. I got it at IMATS New York a couple years ago. And I love this side of the brush to blend out my nose contour. And as I'm blending, I kind of brush it into my crease as well. Then I'm taking my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I'm brightening underneath my eyes and setting all that concealer. I really love this powder. Every time I try to use something else, such as like the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour kit, if I use one of those yellow shades to set it, it doesn't set well. I need a loose powder. Those are good if you just want to brighten up under your eyes. Those are pretty good to use. And then I'm applying some concealer underneath my cheekbone just to clean up my contour and really make my cheekbone pop even more. And I'm going to be leaving this loose powder on my face. This is something called baking. And also I like to leave it on while I'm doing my eyeshadow. So if I have any fallout, it just falls onto the powder and I can just wipe away all of it. Then I'm using this Boxycharm X Pure Cosmetics, their collab eyeshadow palette. I got it in my Boxycharm last month, and I'm just going to be using this for my eyes. I really enjoy this shade as like a transition shade. It's really pigmented, it's really pretty, and it's like that perfect orangey nude. It's just a perfect crease shade, so I really loved this shade. I feel like the most out of the palette. Now I'm taking this shade right here and I'm just applying that in my crease as well, just to deepen it up. It's a little bit of a pink tone shade, but it came out really pretty. And then I'm taking the shade right next to that shade and applying that into my crease as well. It didn't look like it, but this shade is actually a shimmer shade. It just looks really pretty still in my crease. Then I'm taking this shade right here and I'm applying that right on my entire lid. It wasn't as pigmented. I definitely had to spray my brush with Fix Plus, but it came out really pretty still. Yeah, so if you see, I sprayed my brush with Fix Plus and the pigmentation is coming out so much brighter and pinker. It looks really pretty. You know, that does happen with some shades. You have to spray your brush with some type of Fix Plus or setting spray just to bring out the pigmentation, which I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Then I'm taking that darker purple and I'm kind of putting that on the outer V shade, and I also sprayed that with my Fix Plus as well. Then I'm brushing away all this powder, and as you see, I did have some fallout, so that's my favorite trick. As long as I keep my powder there, I could just brush it all away. I'm then picking up this shade right here, which actually I think is my favorite more than the crease shade. It is so pigmented. It's just like the perfect purple, pink, violet, I don't even know. It's just my favorite shade and it came out so pigmented. This is probably the most pigmented shade in the palette, in my opinion. And I'm picking up the same shade and I'm just deepening my outer V just because I really loved how it came out, so I thought I would add it to the top as well. I'm then picking up Benefit's My Precisely brow pencil and I'm using that to do my eyebrows, and I absolutely love this brow pencil. I feel like it changed my brows completely. It really helped me shape them even better. You know, if you watched my older videos, my eyebrows never looked good, but this really made my eyebrows look really nice, really even, and it just made them look really full, to be honest. I'm then picking up this white shade and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. To bronze up my face, I'm taking this Becca Cosmetics Ski palette. I love this palette. It comes with a bronzer, it comes with a blush, it comes with highlights. It's great. So I'm taking the bronzer shade and bronzing up my face, and I'm also going to be taking the highlight shade and the blush shade as well from the palette. And then I'm taking this Tarte mascara and applying that all over my eyelids. I couldn't find my two favorites, the Benefit Bad Gal Bang and my L'Oreal, not telescopic, my L'Oreal Voluminous one. I couldn't find it, so I had to use this. It's okay, it's not my favorite, not as much as my other ones are. I am taking this ColourPop lip liner. It's like the perfect nude. I will list the shade down below, but I really love how it came out. I am also filling in my entire lip with this lip liner as well because I really loved how the shade came out. So I'm using this all over my lips. I'm then taking this Sephora liquid lipstick. It's like a hot pink, like legit hot pink. So I'm using it very lightly and just tapping it all over my lips. I think this shade is like perfect for spring. It's so bright. It's so fresh looking. I really love how it came out with the lip liner. So yeah, I'm just tapping it all over my lips and just blending it out very lightly. And then I'm setting my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I love how this just melts the makeup into my face and just looks very seamless. And that will complete this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you all in my next video.